I don't fucking know! Hey!
Hey, just a big shout out to our sponsors of this video, Wicked Hots. These legends are growing fresh, chemical-free chilies right here in Aotearoa. You can just order them right here in the comfort of your home, and they'll be right at your door within a week. And they've got all sorts of peppers, jalapenos, everything in this video you see is from Wicked Hots. Whatever chili you want, they've got you sorted. Check them out at wickedhots.co.nz. And thank you Wicked Hots for sponsoring this video.
Today, we are eating the fucking hottest peppers on God's green fucking earth.
Got all of this line up right here.
You
Shit,
can't.
no one gives a shit.
You're fucking reading that shit. We're starting with jalapeno pepper. Yo, this one's kind of red.
Baby shit, man.
Pussy baby shit, man. What's the Scoville units?
10,000. Sounds like a lot, but I don't think it is.
10,000. Fuck, that's fuck all, mate. You know what this looks like? Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
Nice shot.
Fuck. Alright, let's just fucking do it, eh? Why the fuck am I making a video, man? Why? Oh my god, why am I really fucking hot?
Now you got this.
How the fuck am I going to make this video? While we're at it,
9 more to go.
we're going to introduce a new thing. My mouth is on fire.
That's the first one.
Hey, fuck off! Shut the fuck up! Fuck up! Ah! Come on! Ah! I busted it! What am I gonna do? I need a towel!
So awesome.
I need. We're not single, I'm cool. I'm hard, killed it. It's fucking leaking. Oh fuck, what am I gonna do?
There's a sink next to you.
It's broken, there's no drain in it.
What? Why is it broken?
I don't fucking know! No, fuck! This has already started horrible. I'm gonna die.
You know what that is?
Hey, right before this video starts, I just want to say I have opened a Twitch channel. I have not streamed on it yet. I do plan to do mini streams though for future videos. I'll be live streams so you can witness the full thing live. Wouldn't that be a fucking honor? Sometimes I'll be doing shit. Sometimes might be gaming or doing a project. I don't know. I've not really streamed yet. Please follow. Yeah. Please enjoy the video, and hopefully I'll see you on stream.
Oh god. Oh Jesus. This is sad.
Yeah.
I need more water.
Holy fuck. Okay, Carolina Reaper. 1,500,000.
This video better fucking do well.
They gave me the hiccups.
Oh god. There we go. This is the Hungarian wax. Dude, my fucking vomit bucket is full of pink rags. Hungarian wax.
Okay, initial reactions.
Initial reactions? Nothing. I'm locked in. That was one. That was a little bit hot. What is this? No. I gotta get to the reaction. That's the bruise. Dude, just looking at the milk, it's fucking rancid. I think I need a nap. Hey, cunt.
Alright go for it, you pussy baby.
I'll go for what?
The Serrano!
What's the Serrano? Where's the Serrano? Is that the Serrano?
Maybe.
Dude, look how small that shit is.
Okay, we're not talking about it.
Dude, I could you could definitely fit a couple of these up your asshole, right?
Fucking asshole.
Fuck you.
So it should be 10 times worse than the husband. Maybe they like
You know what's funny? The jalapeno was hotter than each of these. So it's so far. I still feel pain everywhere. Who the fuck made peppers, man?
Blame Mother Earth for that one.
Fuck Mother Earth. She's a fucking cunt. What a whore. Oh man. I hope this mic's waterproof.
You might be able to take this.
Ah! Fuck you, Tom. God, I'm so wet, so slobby.
And hot. I mean,
What? You fucking gay. Fucking gay. What was the next one? Next paper. Ah! Yay!
Kanye Red.
Kanye! These are fucking menacing as fuck, cunt. I'll say at this point, water tastes better. I don't want to make this video anymore, man. World's greatest golfer. You guys remember that cup? Kanye Pepper. Fucking gonna throw up, hey. The Kanye Pepper. Next is the bird's eye.
It doesn't look like a bird's eye.
It's got fucking...
You fucking tanked that one.
Tank which one?
Kanye wasn't that good after all.
Hey! Don't you ever talk shit about Kanye. Nah, don't point the fucking finger at me, cunt. Put that for away. Put it away. Put that. No, but wait, no, we don't need the Kanye one.
Yeah, we've had enough of him. He's a bastard.
Kill yourself.
300,000 Scoville rating.
300,000 Scoville rating.
It's 30 times less than the jalapeno.
Vomit bucket, I don't need you anymore. These are bird's eye yowie. Bird's eye yellow. Is this Riz? Is this a doctor? Okay. Bird's eye.
Give it a try.
Dude, I can feel it brewing. I'm gonna go take a shit.
Okay, good luck. Should I stop recording? And
Yeah.
Not yet.
Time to take it to the bathroom.
It's the walk of shame right there.
Oh, there's vomit on the floor. How am I gonna eat this fucking Coraline pepper? Dude, this video better get like a quadrillion views. What's next?
Okay.
Oh,
You got this.
I got this. I got this. Ah! The smell is not pleasant. I need a mint. Do we have mints? Dude, I still feel burning in my mouth. Oh my god.
I'm friends with this guy.
Some of my mucus went down my throat.
If I think that segment's fucking work.
Oh my god, I wish it was working so bad.
I hate you.
I hate you!
I hate you.
I hate you! Fuck you! Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh!
With a big fucking. Let's consult the Scoville chart.
I don't know if we're good or not. I keep smelling vomit. I can smell vomit from my own breath. Weird transition. Hello, people. Wow, that was fucking retarded. This is something I wanted to announce. If I get 100 subscribers by the end of the week, I will go bald. Not buzzcut, bald. My hair, look at my fucking hair. It's fucking mad, ain't it?
Don't take your pants off.
Fucking pink.
No! You know what?
No, mate.
We can make a polygon them, wait.
Huh?
Go like.
Fuck.
That sounds so wrong. And then I'll try to do 3, you do 2. So it'll be like...
Fuck off, Tom! You're not the fucking character of the show! You're a fucking producer! No, again! Actually, I really need to take a piss. When you try so hard, but you don't succeed. Daddy's back. What? People 6?
The habanero.
The habanero red.
Yes!
Made me flinch, asshole.
Yeah. Ow! Fuck you.
Ow.
It's fucking you, you fuck. You're not scared, are you?
I'm not scared. I got a bucket. Damn it. Damn, it hurts. Like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm not gonna throw up. No, ice cream's doing nothing, Tom.
You gotta like let it sit for a minute, you know? You do like the...
Dude, I feel like I'm in space.